What's up guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be installing this JLT intake onto my 2019 Mustang GT. Pretty simple, seen American Muscles videos. Just going to pop these caps, 2 bolts underneath, another 10 right here, and then loosen the clamp on the throttle body and remove these clips. I already have the sound tube deleted, so I'm not gonna have to deal with that onto the other one. And then you're gonna take off the MAF and then basically transfer the MAF over, take off this rubber gasket on the inside, and then use the one that they give you and literally just piece it all together. So I'm gonna go ahead and start taking this off and then we'll get this install started. Okay, so loosen the clamps, got the 10 over here off, and unplug the MAF. So for these, to remove these, you actually press this down and then pull out. Oh god, it's hard to wait with one hand. Like that. To remove this one, you'll pull back right here and then pull out. I couldn't do it with one hand, so yeah, I got it. So I'm gonna go ahead and pull this off, and then we're gonna take the MAF off and then transfer it over to the new intake. Okay, so with the stock intake off, you gotta take this rubber piece right here, and you gotta take this I guess metal socket thingy, but yeah, you pull out the metal part and then you'll like pull out this. God damn it, one hand again. Like that. So now I want to take off the MAF sensor. It's a Torx bit, I think it's T25. This is probably the hardest part because if you don't have it, you're probably gonna go buy one. So it's actually a T20. Right there. So I'm gonna take it off, then transfer this to the new intake, and you gotta take off the O-ring like I said on the old one, and they'll give you a new one right here. With new hardware, it's optional, I think, but it's Phillips, so it's easier for if you have to ever take it off again. So right here is the part you have to take off. Okay, so it's a new intake. Just literally, Jesus, slide it in, and then put the hardware that they provide. Little man in the box over there. So I'm gonna tighten this up and then start assembling. Rice. Yeah. Oh god. Then we're gonna put on the filter, and then we're gonna put the reducer coupler. Look at this 5-inch intake. Damn. Got the MAF on. Make sure the clips part is on the bottom, because that's how it goes in. So I'm gonna go ahead and put this reducer on right here. Boom. And then assemble the box. This goes onto the box that they give you right there. And you're gonna just put the, oh, where'd it go? The rubber grommet, and then this onto there, and then it's gonna just sit in the factory spot. Got everything transferred over. Got the grommet and the metal bushing, and then the other rubber grommet that goes under here, I just put it onto the car itself. Right there. It's just gonna pop in. Then you're gonna do this air duct. Literally just push it in from the front, and it's gonna have these 2 notches and one on the bottom. It's going to be in between these two on the top, and then one on the bottom is going to be on the inside. So now I'm going to put this box in, and then I'm going to slide on the intake. So box is in and bolted down. Now you're gonna hold it for me, the intake the phone, while I connect everything in. Okay, so you're gonna connect the clips in, the tubing. Literally, it's just gonna push in and click. And then plug in the MAF, cushion the red clip on the bottom so it's locked in, and then you're just gonna tighten the couplers and make sure it's like flushed with the box. And they give you this foam looking piece, and you're gonna put it right here to make sure it seals out the heat from the engine. So this is a tune required intake. So I already have an N gauge with a tune in it. So I'm gonna go ahead and upload that, and then I'm gonna start it up. So everything's installed, tune good, there's no leaks. Gonna go ahead and put the engine cover back on, and that's pretty much it. Lots of mods coming for the Stang. I gotta get a new plate because I got it like that, and that's not my plate. That was the previous owner's. I already have one part that came in, and it's in the house already, and one more big part that's coming in. Hopefully, maybe like in a month. It ships out on the 30th. So, yeah, I'm gonna end the video here. Thanks for watching, and see you guys in the next one. Shoot.